Apple's second-generation AirPods Pro have established themselves as a staple in the realm of wireless earbuds, even nearly 3 years after their initial release. Currently available for $169 on Amazon, this price reflects a significant discount of 32% from the usual retail price of $249. This ongoing popularity can be attributed to a combination of their advanced features, solid performance, and the seamless integration they offer for iPhone users. As the market for wireless earbuds continues to evolve, the AirPods Pro 2 remain a formidable choice for those seeking high-quality audio experiences. One of the standout features of the AirPods Pro 2 is their impressive sound quality, which has been notably enhanced from the original model. Users can expect a richer audio experience that captures the nuances of their favorite tracks. Coupled with robust active noise cancellation (ANC) and transparency modes, these earbuds provide an adaptable listening experience that can cater to various environments. Whether one is commuting, exercising, or simply enjoying a quiet moment at home, the AirPods Pro 2 can seamlessly transition between blocking out noise and allowing ambient sound in, making them incredibly versatile.